What if you made one small change to your daily routine, and that change was doing 50 push-ups every morning? Could it transform your body? Would you notice a difference in your strength, stamina, or even appearance? Push-ups are among the most widely practiced bodyweight exercises in the world, and for good reason. They're simple, effective, and require no equipment. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, push-ups have something to offer everyone. While most people associate push-ups with building upper body strength, especially in the chest and arms, the reality is that this classic move engages multiple muscle groups at once. When performed properly, push-ups activate not only your shoulders, arms, and chest, but also your core, glutes, back, and even legs to a degree. In this video, we're going to explore what really happens to your body when you commit to doing 50 push-ups every single morning for 30 days. We'll look at both the physical and internal changes, from increased strength and muscle tone to improved cardiovascular health and fat loss. Stick around until the end, where we'll summarize the key benefits and give you a few pro tips for safe and effective training. Let's dive in. How push-ups impact your body, inside and out. When we think about push-ups, we usually picture the arms and chest doing most of the work. However, push-ups are much more than an upper body workout. 1. Upper body strength. Push-ups target several major upper body muscles: pectorals, chest muscles; deltoids, shoulders; triceps, back of the upper arms. Doing 50 push-ups every day activates and strengthens these areas, making them more defined and resilient. Over time, this can lead to increased muscle tone, improved posture, and better performance in daily tasks or sports. 2. Core engagement. Each push-up requires you to keep your body in a straight line, which forces you to engage your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back. As a result, push-ups can help improve core strength and stability, which supports your spine and reduces the risk of injury during other exercises. 3. Cardiovascular benefits. Here's something you might not expect. Push-ups actually give your heart a workout, too. When you do 50 push-ups, your heart works harder to supply oxygen-rich blood to multiple muscle groups, especially in your arms and core. This increased demand helps enhance cardiovascular endurance, which can lead to lower blood pressure, improved circulation, fat loss, better heart health overall. How your body reacts during the first 30 days. Now let's talk about what happens when you commit to doing 50 push-ups every morning for a full month. Week 1. Soreness and muscle activation. In the first week, your muscles may protest. If you haven't been doing push-ups regularly, your body will respond to this new challenge with soreness, particularly in your chest, triceps, deltoids, core. You may feel a tightness or even a clicking sensation in your shoulders or triceps. While it can feel odd or uncomfortable at first, this is a sign that your muscles are waking up and beginning to adapt. Week 2. Visible changes start to happen. By the second week, you may start to notice subtle changes. Slight improvements in posture, a firmer feel in your upper arms and chest, less fatigue when performing the push-ups, better form and rhythm. Week 3. Strength and endurance increase. By week 3, your body is likely adapting well. You'll start to feel increased stamina, less soreness, improved muscle control. At this point, push-ups will start to feel less like a chore and more like a routine. For overweight or obese individuals, visible changes in body composition may begin to show. Since push-ups target areas with common fat deposits, like the arms and upper chest, you may notice a more defined shape as fat is gradually burned and muscle is built. Functionally, your ability to lift, carry, and perform daily activities improves. You may even find yourself better at other exercises like pull-ups, planks, or even running, because your core and upper body are more stable. Week 4. Long-term gains and motivation boost. By the end of the 30 days, your commitment to 50 push-ups a day will have made a serious difference. Most people notice improved upper body strength, visible toning in the arms, shoulders, and chest, increased core strength, better muscle endurance, and a boost in confidence. 50 push-ups a day, small effort, big change. So, What happens when you commit to 50 push-ups every morning for 30 days? You strengthen your chest, arms, shoulders, and core. You improve your heart health and burn fat. You become more disciplined and feel more energized. You notice visible changes in tone and shape. You build a habit that lays the foundation for a healthier, fitter you. Remember, while push-ups are a powerful tool, they're just one part of a well-rounded fitness plan. Combine them with other exercises, proper nutrition, and rest for best results. And here's the most important part. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Whether you're starting with 10 or already at 50, the key is showing up every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need that daily push. For more interesting facts about the human body and practical health tips, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep pushing forward, one rep at a time.